Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Samsung 13C 5G. It has pattern lock that customer he forget the password. I'm gonna reset. So follow my instruction. Before I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe. So before hard reset, you need to remove the Gmail or Google account. Then you need to do that procedure. Okay, so here before you need to power off your cell phone and you need to press volume and volume up and power key and keep holding for few seconds, and after release power key and keep holding volume up key. Now you can select that function with volume up. You can scroll up and down with volume key. Okay, now you need to click on wipe data and you can select with power key. Okay, then again you need to click wipe all data and you can select with power button and you can scroll up down with volume key. Now you need to press the power key. Look, it is now formatted, and that all data will gone when you do this procedure. And before this procedure you need to uh, remove your Google account, or you need to have that account you are using before. So now look, it is booting up. It will take some time. So that video is going fast now. Look, now it is done. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.